Okay, so the reason you're only getting the 3 to 4 points is something to do with your table setting. So what I need you to do is you need to hit second window, which is table set. You need to make sure that your starting table can be any number. Let's just start with 0. Your table needs to go up by 1. Yours is going up by weird numbers. And then you need to make sure that this says auto and this one also says auto, so that when you go to your table, you can see every value. If it's on different settings, like let's say this goes up by 5 and it says ask, my table only has like 3 numbers and now I can type in any number that I want, but that doesn't help me find my table of values. So you need to make sure that this says 1, this says auto, this says auto. Technically, this table start value can be anything. You just need to make sure it's, like if I were to type in 100, it will start my table at 100. Which doesn't help me, so I usually start my table, so once again, it's second window, I usually just start it at 0. Try that and see if you can get better numbers, and then if it doesn't work, let me know, and we will try it from there.